just ate that much fries. I'm eating pretty fast, y'all. I usually don't eat this fast. Hi veggie fam, welcome to another mukbang. In today's video, guys, we are going to be eating some McDonald's, y'all. Okay? So I have myself a frappe, caramel frappe. I have myself an egg white delight. And I have some french fries and some sweet and sour sauce, okay? So let's just get right into it. Oh, forgot to pray. Okay, Father God, thank you for this food. Please bless the hands of the Spirit of God. And I pray that this food is, I pray for everybody else who is watching, my subscribers, God, that they have food on their table as well, God. And bless them to have a great and awesome day today, Jesus. In your name I pray. Amen. Okay, guys. So let's get right into eating this fast food. Okay, so the egg white delight, guys, all I have is cheese and egg in this, so egg whites. Okay? And as you can see right here, I have my french fries, guys. I have my french fries. I have two large fries. Right? Because my husband had one, and he couldn't finish it, and I love fries, so I was like, okay, I'll take it. Okay? I usually don't use sauce on my fries, because usually I just like, I have the frappe right here, so I just go right into it. Like, I'll just eat the fries with the frappe. But I think I'm just going to use some sauce today. So, whoever's new out there and watching, I just want to thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and being a part of my family. You guys are highly appreciated. So like last night, guys, was so crazy. Like, my kids went to bed at around 5, right? In the morning. I don't know why. I really don't know. So like, I'm really trying to, as we said in the other video, when we make it to 50 likes on the other video that we just posted, the one with the Carolina Reaper, yeah. Then we are going to be doing that live, like where I'm boxing him. It's gonna happen. I'm preparing. Okay. And he said I could do it like in full, like no holding back. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, what's this? Oh, piece of the sauce, like wrapper. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go check out that video. I'm gonna put it right here. I think probably right here, yeah, or there, either one. If you don't know what I'm talking about, We need 50 likes, guys. 50 likes on our video. I do think it's funny though, like, oh, my cavity. I need to get my teeth done. Oh. Since my teeth are so close together, it's so easy for me to get cavities, like, to spread. I have like chalk teeth, like it's really pretty on the outside, but on the inside it's like, you know, like it gets cavities too fast. Like floss, brush my teeth, use a strong toothpaste, and still nothing. I don't know if I did a thumbnail already. If I didn't, I'm not really sure. Anyways, but yeah. I'm tired of going to the dentist. I lived at the dentist for like 10 years. And what I mean by that, I didn't actually live there. I was basically there all the time. Like, they knew my name. Every week I was there at the dentist. I mean, it's also because they say there's one dentist I went to. I think she's the one who messed up my teeth. Because a few days later, I got like a chip on. After she did my teeth, I got a little chip on my bottom tooth. As I was saying, like every dentist has their. Like I went to one dentist and they told me, oh, I have a fracture in one of my teeth. I went to a different dentist and they told me something different. So every dentist has something different to say. So hard because he wants to be a part of the video like so bad, but that means no comment section for me then. So anyways, yeah, so yeah, so I start incorporating some egg into my diet. I already told you guys, and some seafood. Mainly because I felt like I was missing out on some proteins. Alright, I was getting lazy. I was, not gonna lie. Not only that, like, being kind of stressed out too, kind of adds to it too. But I could feel like my hand kept shaking. And that never happened to me. Like, I would catch myself, my hand just shaking out of nowhere. Like, I just felt like weak. So I knew I was like deficient in something. It's mainly because I was... One diet that works for me might not work for you. One diet that works for you might not work for you. Man. And at the time, being vegan was working for me because I just had my baby. I wanted to lose some weight. I was doing really good. But after a while, I did notice some, these past couple of months that, or these past couple of weeks, that, I've been feeling like tired, having muscle aches. Like I said before, my arms are shaking. So I've been doing it wrong. Who knows? Most likely. So that's mainly the main reason why I'm incorporating like seafood and egg and milk back into my diet. Not milk, but dairy, like cheese and stuff. And it's also because I want to. Like I have more options to eat when I go out. Because when I would go out to eat, I would just be eating a bunch of carbs. Like all I would get before was some French fries and a McMuffin. That's it. Where's the protein? Where's the protein? And when you're going out to eat, like, imagine me on a road trip. It's just really difficult. Or it was difficult for me, you know? So this is what's working for me in my life right now. Probably in the future I will be able to do it a lot better. But for now, yeah. My daughter eating up them French fries. She loves French fries. Like, she's daughter's teething right now. And she's just loving these fries. Like, we don't feed her fries all the time, so don't even think so. But I have it for this video, so I'm going to just show her. My lipstick's coming off. I was saying, like, it's funny how in my other video, I'm not trying to say anything, but I got no dislikes. And I'm like, is it because I was in pain? Nobody's like, okay, she was in pain. Yeah, we saw enough. 2 times spicy. I was like, okay, let's be nice. Let's not ever give her a thumbs down. But who knows? It could have been because I was suffering in pain with all the heat. Or I don't know. But yeah. I'm surprised I'm fit. I just ate that much fries. I'm eating pretty fast, y'all. I usually don't eat this fast. I don't know if I'm the only one who loves like that's the only thing that I absolutely love from McDonald's. 2 fries. That's absolutely. I'm not talking gibberish. I absolutely love McDonald's. Caramel Frappuccino. Oh my gosh. It's so good. But I don't know. McDonald's versus Chick-fil-A's Caramel Frappuccino. They don't call it Frappuccino. They call it, I forgot what they call it. A slushy or frosty or something like that. But it's still really good. I can't really choose. McDonald's one is like a lot of sugar, you know. So of course our body naturally loves that because sugar can be addicting. But the Chick-fil-A's frosty or caramel frappe, you can actually taste the coffee in it. That's the good thing about it. It's not as sweet, so yeah, like I said before, You're right, I was tricked into thinking McDonald's one is better. When actually, the Chick-fil-A's one is way better quality. But you gotta be in the mood, guys. I'm just looking over there, seeing what my son's doing. He's always on my laptop. Like, if you have young kids, you know what I'm talking about. They love phones, they love laptops. Everything like that. So yeah, guys. My goal is to make it to at least 300. My goal is to make it. Something popped up on my phone. My goal is to make it to at least 300 by the end of this month. So, if you guys know anybody who likes to watch mukbangs, and you can share it to them, share on Facebook, Instagram, wherever. I will highly appreciate it, and I'm telling you, I will shout you out. You look out for me, I look out for you guys. And I'm telling you, if you have anything you're doing, if you're starting a YouTube, you decide later on in the line to start a YouTube, I will support you. If you support me. Hey, what are you doing? Yeah. Hey, that's my muffin. Who likes their biscuits? Like, who likes McDonald's biscuit? I don't have the Egg McMuffin, but I'm talking about their biscuit. Their biscuit is fire, I'm not gonna lie. But still, McDonald's, I don't really like fast food. I don't eat fast food all the time, mainly because, like, I feel like it's like plastic, like you're eating plastic. That's what I used to say about McDonald's. Like, I'm pretty much eating plastic. But it's like air. Like, it fills the void for a little bit, like you feel like full. But it doesn't last long. It doesn't last long. So that's why my go-to fast food place is Chipotle. I love Chipotle because they always have their food. It's fast food, but it's less processed. Or it's not processed at all. It's like fresh food. These other chains need to get on that level. We need to take care of our body, you know. But every now and then it's okay to eat like this. I'm not gonna lie though, before I used to... What was I talking about? McDonald's? I forgot what I was saying. McDonald's something. McDonald's. Oh yeah, I used to eat McDonald's like twice a day. Or more. But for some reason when you're a kid, McDonald's tastes so good. And now when you're an adult, it's like... Yeah, so I've been trying like a lot of food that I used to eat when I was younger. And I'm like, man, why it tastes so good? I mean, as the years go by, these fast food chains or restaurants change up the recipes, you know, make it cheaper, and, you know. I know Domino's changed up their recipe. They used to have these little, I forgot the name of the seeds. Like, maybe remember the name of the seeds that used to be in Domino's pizza sauce?
Fennel seeds.
Fennel seeds, y'all. Yeah, I used to hate them things. Every time my parents would order not McDonald's, Domino's, I would be like, okay, I don't want any. Or if I did get some, I would just pick off, like wipe off the sauce with a napkin. I was extra picky. Anyways, yeah, I forgot which year they changed Domino's pizza recipe. It is so much better. It came a long way, guys. It came a long way. So if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe below. Again, I make new videos almost every single day, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Bye. I never had McDonald's for a long time. It wasn't too bad.